This is the EZVIZ RH1, a 3-in-1 smart wet and dry vacuum. It can be used as a vacuum, as a mop, and also as a floor cleaner. It looks really nice, refined and futuristic. It has tons of amazing features like 12 kPa suction power, which is really strong and perfect to absorb even small water droplets. It features an open design, which is awesome for drying, keeping the bacteria and odor low. It has smart suction and fan control, and it can basically adjust everything automatically. Great battery life, low noise and super affordable. So is it as good as it seems? Let's find out. Got a new drip from EZVIZ, the EZVIZ RH1 Smart Wet and Dry Vacuum. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So here we have the box, still wrapped up. So first of all, let's remove that. Thanks to the wrap, the box is still clean and pristine. And it's on a big side, so I had to lay it down. So we have the front. We have this side with some nice pics on it. We have this with some features and more features and a small print on this side. Brand name on top and the bottom is just blank. Here once again, close up of the small print. So let's open it up. We have the installation guide on top right here, and we have the paperwork in here. And on top of this divider, we also have the rotating brush. We have all sorts of parts and accessories. Let's get it all out. And then of course also the adapter for the wall outlet. And lastly in here, we have a cleaning bristle. So let's remove the divider. Great packaging, and on top we also have a cleaning solution and another box. No, this is just a divider, or actually a spacer that will keep it in place perfectly. I can see another box in here, but let's first of all grab the handle. Another spacer. Oh, this was actually the base station right here, with the user manual, and lastly the main body right here. So let's start the unwrapping. So as you can see, quite a lot of stuff, so let's check out all the accessories. So we have a spare brush, super soft, looking nice. This on the side, and that's the other side right here. We have the base station right here with the charge contacts and the small print up here. More notes right there. Also this structure, self-drying. Back here we even have an air filter here for the power inlet. This is what it looks like from the side. So the air will get sucked in here, go through all the way and come out from here. And the other side right there looks really nice, and from the bottom it looks like this, for nice rubber pads. Then we also have this cleaning brush with the brush head right here and a multifunctional handle. In here we also have a blade for cutting out stubborn stuck hair. We will also get a spare filter. This is what it looks like. We will also get these two parts right there, from the bottom, from the side and from the other side. Let's put these aside as well. We will also get a bottle of hard floor cleaning solution, and here we have the handle. So we have this on the bottom for inserting it with the holding mechanism. Then right here, build your smart home. Nice touch. And here we have the handle itself. Feels really nice in the hand. And here we also have the control on off, and for changing the settings, nice buttons. And that's pretty much it. Black silver color scheme, and this is the connector inside here. Power brick with a nice long cable, connector for the base station, and the actual power brick here with all the small print from the side and from the top with the branding. Then paperwork. We have the quick start guide in 2 different languages. All the important stuff is right here. We will also get a rather thick and detailed manual with literally all the languages in the world. QR code on top for an operational video, branding on the back. Nice big letters as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last page. So a truly universal multi-language device. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions, and then of course to a close overview. And the vac itself also has this nice black silver color scheme. Looks really nice and refined. Great large compartments, and also this on top. But first of all, let me put it all together. So we of course have the handle. It also has a nice handle right here, and it's not that heavy actually. One could say it's actually rather light. In any case, the handle will snap in back here, just like that. Now we can grab it by the handle, or we can pick it up down here by this other handle right here. That is actually the first vacuum with an open brush, half open brush design. Interesting, can't wait to actually try it out. But before we get to that, let's of course take a close look. Okay, let's check out the base. So we have these two add-ons for it, and it will snap in on the bottom, just like that. And the other one right here. Now the base station is completed, and we have this one for just, you know, drying stuff, and for the brush, or actually for this one. And with that, we can already insert the vacuum. Just like that. And the charge contacts have this spring-loaded part, and inserting it looks like this. It will literally snap in place. And now let's check out the rest. We have a note on both sides. We will check that out in a second. So down here we have the dirty water tank, nice and large compartments. And up here the clean water tank. So this is it from the back, specs right here, and here we have this aforementioned handle and another note up there, and this is it from the front. Really nice design choice, great for drying actually, with the base compartments. And now let's check out the water tank in detail. So first of all, we have this release mechanism right here, also spring loaded. We need to push it down and we can pull it out. So right here, so we have the waste water tank, dirty water tank right there on the back, with a few instructions how to take it apart, and the small print, also the cleaning steps, and the bottom, so we can take out the HEPA filter for just rinsing it with water, cleaning it. This is also the filter compartment, so right there, and we can also take out the whole thing, and that's perfect for emptying it out, for cleaning it. Nice construction, it's all sealed and it fits together nicely. Filter goes back in. Here we have yet another rubber seal so that the water won't come out. And up here, same mechanism. We have the clean water tank. It's a bit smaller, but still rather large capacity. So bottom and top. So we can open it up right here. And it supports water with a temperature of up to 60 degrees centigrade, and the lid right there. So more notes. HEPA filter needs to be dry before using it. Also in here. And then up here we have the display, and you can just pull this off. But I guess we shall leave it on for now. And lastly, let's check out this one in detail. So we have this on the front. We have this on the side. It's almost impossible for me to get in there, but this on the other side. Once again, the handle on the back. Close up of the specs. We have a nice smooth rubber rolls, and the whole thing can articulate quite well. I will show you while testing it. And right here we have the bottom of the vacuum, two little rolls right here. So yeah, looking amazing from all sides and angles. Oh yeah, and in here we have the charge contacts. So yeah, really nice. Not bad, right? So let's set it all up and then finally test it. Alright, so first of all, let's install the charge base. Plug it in, plug this one in as well, just like that.
Charging.
Oh,
Rolling brush air dry mode on.
nice. Beautiful display. So here we can hear the self-drying, and I can also feel the air coming out of here. Nice. So let's take one last look at this cover. We have the modes, errors, and indicators. So we have the drying indicator right here, and we can also...
Self-clean mode on. Rolling brush clean. Start. The clean water bucket is low. Please add water.
Yeah, that's right. Of course. So first of all, it would be to actually fill this up with water.
The clean water bucket is low. Please add
Right
water.
there. I have my reverse osmosis filtration system right here. And for best cleaning results and longevity, I would recommend to use distilled water or filtered water. Filling this up will take a while, so I will see you in a bit. So there we go. Let's insert it. And let's try that again. Self-cleaning.
Self-clean mode on. Rolling brush clean. Start.
Oh, it's so soft. Ah, it's getting wet. This is also perfect for preparing it, getting it wet. Oh, wow.
Self-clean mode off. Please clean the dirty water bucket.
So it will talk to us. That's great. Yeah, now let's just grab it and go for a first test. So I have a bit of, stuff down here. Easy first test. Let's just get a clean surface for the other tests. So the articulation looks like that. It's very nimble. Long press to turn it on.
Auto mode.
Okay, that's gone. More stuff here. And we can also get really close to the wall. That is great to see. So, let's get this area clean. Oh, beautiful LED ring. And it will yeah, it's dirty over there. Clearly, actually.
Shutting down. Power off. Please clean the dirty water bucket.
So,
Charging.
as you saw, we even have a smart detection.
Rolling brush air dry mode on.
And let's check out the tank. Oh yeah. So as you saw, this will work straight out of the box, and now we are ready to go for some unreasonable hard tests. Oh no, I dropped an egg. So an egg with shells and a tomato that someone stepped on. Very unreasonable, but let's just see how it will perform. And a bit of coffee ground to simulate dirt. Perfect. I will try this with just the auto mode. And remember, there is also a power mode. Let's go.
Auto mode.
Ooh, look at that. Wow, the suction is so powerful.
Standard mode. Power mode.
Power mode? Wow, there is nothing left. That is crazy. Wow, in just one go.
Power off. Please
Wow.
clean the dirty water bucket.
That was insane. So we have the on-off button, we have the mode select, 3 modes. We tried the power mode briefly, but also the auto mode that is way more energy efficient and power saving, has a lot of power, and this of course for self-cleaning. And this would be kind of necessary right now because as you can see, the coffee ground kind of stained our roll. Check out the floor, it looks perfect. Just so you know, when you don't pick it up after turning it off, the roll is a bit wet, so it will leave this stain right here. So I would recommend to immediately pick it up. Let's remove this one.
Shutting down.
Turn it off.
Power off.
Then it will
Please clean the dirty water bucket.
start the strong suction mode. And now check this out, there is no spot left. And then just pick it up immediately, place it onto the base, and then of course
Self-clean mode.
start
on.
the self-cleaning.
Rolling brush clean. Start.
And there's an area right here where we can see the coffee ground. Perfect results just with water. And don't forget, we can also add cleaning solution in here to get even better results.
Auto detection. Start.
And again, all sorts of auto detections. This is a very advanced system
Power clean. Start.
that is perfect for all sorts of floors. There you can see the water trails a bit better from the wet wiping. It's visible, but thanks to the strong suction, there is barely any water left. So this is just a bit wet and it will dry very fast. And again, we have the auto mode,
Standard mode.
we have the standard mode
Power mode.
and the power mode.
Shutting down. Power off. Please clean the dirty water bucket.
And as you saw, the RH1 performed really well for these unreasonable stains, to say the least. It looks amazing. This thing is awesome. Massive thumbs up from my side. And before we call it a day, all the dirt is captured in here. As you can see, it's already drying in just a matter of, well, half a minute or something like that. So, like that. We have this part and the main compartment. Oh my goodness, wow. Super easy to clean, just rinse it out with water, put it back together, dry it, and put it back into the device for the self-cleaning. And just like that, we are ready for the next round of cleaning. And as you can see, the brush has gotten clean as well. So yeah, great device to say the least. So as you saw, even though this multi-purpose smart vac is super affordable, it still performed like a beast. Massive battery life, all my tests didn't even put a dent into the battery percentage. You can clean up to 200 square meters in one go. That is my whole flat 3 times over. It's super easy to use and to maneuver. It can reach even corners and walls perfectly, and the cleaning results are amazing. The noise level is indeed very low, and when you're done with the cleaning, just put it on the base. It will clean itself and it will also dry itself. So ultimate comfort and low to none bacteria and odor buildup. Great stuff. Removing the tanks is also super easy, and they have a really huge capacity. So great design overall and great handling, and it also has the newest tech built in terms of the chipset and all of that. Really nice. So whatever mess it might be, they all have one solution, the EZVIZ RH1. It's perfect for kids, it's perfect for pets, and especially amazing to minimize the time and effort to get all of your chores done. A super nice system and definitely 3P. Check out the product links in the description below. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one, and show you then. I will see you soon.